Hello, my name is Abhishek Korekar and we are from Team Alpha. We are going to see first activity of skill development. Start with me. I am Abhishek Javan Korekar and I am currently pursuing BTech degree in Government College of Engineering Karat in Electronics and Telecommunications Engineering. Along with academics, I had done two internships, first on web development and another on machine learning and artificial intelligence at Expert Hub Chennai through virtual mode. Next, I had done mini project based on Raspberry Pi, and I taken a position of responsibility at Binance as a campus builder, which is a world's largest cryptocurrency exchange by volume. And another one, I had done PSA at Paytm Payment Bank. I'm very interested in Web3 and which is a decentralization part, and I'm very interested in blockchain technology, and I'm constantly looking forward to grab opportunities at startups and whichever company is taking interest in blockchains. Thank you. So we are going to see one by one and another's. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. First of all, thank you for giving me opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Tejas Ashok Patil. I am from Karad. Currently, I am pursuing my third year BTech in Electronics and Telecommunication at Government College of Engineering, Karad. My current CGPA is 8.32. I had done internship in full stack development, machine learning, and artificial intelligence at Expert Hub through online mode. I am familiar with C++ language. Apart from this, I was an event coordinator at Avishkar 2090 GC Karad. My hobbies are playing cricket, traveling. Currently, I am looking for internship and full-time role. That's all about me. Thank you.
My name is Kalpesh Anil Gaikwad. I am basically from Tadagaon, Satara. Currently, I am pursuing TYENTC at Government College of Engineering, Karaj. I secured 8.73 CGPA in second year of ENTC. I got a 96 percentile in AMHT CET exam. Along with ENTC, I have good knowledge of C, Python. I am also familiar with web development, having HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, and MySQL. I'm also familiar with Arduino technology and Raspberry Pi technology. Along with my skills, I have done some projects. My project name is a fire extinguisher robot, Bluetooth controlled smart car, and a smart trolley by using Raspberry Pi and pizza management system website. I would like to talk about my positions and my responsibility in our college. I am a coordinator of Kids Club who manage the things regarding to the trekking. I am a Dice Club member who attend the guest lectures and helps to managing the events. I would like to talk about furthermore. I would like to talk about myself. I am a very improved person that always up for the knowledge. I am a person who is a team player. I am a person who done their work at a time even before a time. I am very much interested in coding and technology. That's why I built my career in a particular domain. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone. Thank you for this giving opportunity to talk about me. I am Shrikant Arpat from Karad, Maharashtra. Currently, I am pursuing a BTech degree on Electronics and Telecommunication Department at Government College of Engineering, Karad. I maintained my GPA up to the second year 8.75. I completed three internships. First one, full stack web development, in which we develop a college alumni system based using HTML and CSS. Next one, artificial machine learning and artificial intelligence, in which we develop a handwritten digit recognition system. Third one, which I completed recently, Google Cloud. It is based on cloud engineering, data science, and machine learning. I will also be want to be added about my courses. I completed C and CPP at City Computer Institute, and I learned about Python. I recently worked my mini project, which is the dry and wet garbage segregation. I am a solution oriented person. I'm like with the work with the team and working with the new people. I love my current role, but more challenges and working with an IT really excite me every time. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, myself Shubham Nanas Patil. I am from Islampur district, Sangli. Currently, I am pursuing third year in Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering from Government College of Engineering, Karad. My current CGPA is 8.2. I completed my 12th from YC College, Karad, and I got 78 percentage. About my technical skills, I have good hands on C, C++ programming language, and I also familiar with web development, that is HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, PHP, and MySQL. About my internship, I completed one internship at Expert Hub Private Limited as a web developer intern. About my project, my first project is pizza ordering and management system. My second project is smart shopping trolley using Raspberry Pi. About my positions and responsibilities, that is first, I am a committee member of Avishkar, and I am a coordinator of Quest Club in a Government College of Engineering, Kara. My hobbies are playing cricket, gymming, and trekking. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. I'm Suresh from Karar. Talking about my education, I'm pursuing my graduation from Government College of Engineering, Karar. I have done 10th from Yeshwant High School, Karar, and 12th from Gem College, Karar. I live in small nuclear family. My family includes three members. There is younger sister in ninth standard. My father is farmer, and my mother is homemaker. Apart apart from that, I have also completed my certification course in Python and done internship, full stack web development and machine learning and artificial intelligence. My hobbies include playing kabaddi, blogging, and trading. My strength are patience, a positive attitude, my self confidence, quick learner, flexibility, and dedication to no known languages are Hindi, English, Marathi. My short term goal is join for organization and enhance my skill. My long term goal is reach a higher position in your company. And that's all about me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Yashraj Khurange Patil. My native place is Fulton. Currently, I am studying in third year of engineering in ENTC branch at Government College of Engineering Karad with 7.51 CGPA at the end of fourth semester. Along with pursuing a degree, I have completed Python training program and artificial intelligence and machine learning. The various things I have learned from the various platforms will help me to build my career in technology field. Along with this, I have completed a soil moisture detector project, and recently we have worked on a mini project of social distancing cap using Node MCU, in which we have created a cap using four ultrasonic sensors, which help blind peoples to maintain a social distancing in this COVID-19 crisis. Along with all this, I'm very passionate about sports. Especially, I'm a professional hockey player. In hockey, I have played one national hockey tournament and also four hockey state championships, in which I have achieved three bronze medals and also one senior state participation. And also, I like to work with my team. I like to practice with my team, and I'm very thankful to you to giving this opportunity to introduce myself. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Saurabh Babasaheb Pawar. I am from Akluz, Maharashtra. Currently, I am studied in Government College of Engineering, Karad, in third year of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering. I had completed both SSC and HSC in Dr. B. J. Date Prashala with 82 and 70% respectively, and my CGPA is 7.9. And I have some technical skill like C, C++, Python, and HTML. And I have done some internships in Python fundamentals or in web development. And also I am done some projects like smart dustbin using Raspberry Pi, soil moisture detector, smart irrigation system, etc. And I am also part of our college cricket team, which is secured third prize in zonals and also qualified for interzonals. And my hobbies are playing cricket, listening music, and like to do new things. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Prathamesh Rajesh Shinde. I live in Karad. I completed my 10th standard in Saraswati Vidya Mandir, Karad, and I completed my 12th standard in Yeshwantrao Chavan College of Science, Karad. Currently, I am pursuing BTech in third year of ENTC Department of Government College of Engineering, Karad. I am I had completed a certification in the courses like C, Python, and also full stack web development. And I am good in C and Python also. Today I am working on mini project based on smart and touchless dustbin using Raspberry Pi. In that, when any object we place towards the ultrasonic sensor, after processing, the servo motor will rotate to 90 to 180 degree and results in open of that smart dustbin bucket. My hobbies are to play cricket and carom and also to watch cricket. Then my aim is to become a good and well developed engineer. Thank you.
My name is Prashant Sanjay from Psychology. I did my schooling from Government School Physiology and entered from Government Junior College Psychology. I pursued my BTech degree in Government College of Engineering, Kerala. Along with my degree, I have good knowledge of C, IoT, and embedded system, and intermediate knowledge of C++, Python, and Java. I did a project named Automatic Distance Monitoring between two vehicles. It basically measures the distance between two vehicles and prevents the accidents. Talking about Mercedes are said to deliver hard-working, accident motivated, and my weaknesses are I easily trust anyone. Talking about my hobbies, I love to watching and playing cricket as well as reading books. Uh, my short-term goal is to place in a good company where I can enhance my strengths and skills. And my long-term goal is to achieve a good position in the company so I can build my career. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity.